Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Integrated Literacy Grade R, where we also do numbers and life skills and a whole bunch of amazing other things with words and stories. So yesterday we visited a farm. What will we do today? Can you guys call Gary and Boo Bear for me? Say, Gary, Boo Bear, where are you? Let me hear you, grade R's. Gary, Boo Bear, where are you? Was that Gary? One more time, guys. Gary. Sawubona, Gary. Goeiemôre, Boo Bear. Are you waving hello to the grade R's? Grade R's, can you wave hello? Let's sing hello. We can't start the class without a good hello. Ha is for hello. Hello, hello, hello. Can you wave hello? Hello, hello, hello. Wave hello to your left and wave hello to your right. Hello, hello. We all sing hello, hello. Right. So Boo Bear is going to sit and watch our class today. Gary said he can do this by himself. Do you think he can? Can you guys give Gary, a big applause to say, you can do this? Great. All right. So that's better. Now you guys can see me. Can you quickly do the days of the week for me? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, so remember, yesterday was Monday. Today is, drum roll, can you guys, what is today? Do you know? Can you give us a drum roll, grade R's? Go. It's Tuesday. So yesterday was Monday, so today is Tuesday, the 19th of, you guys know it, let me hear, what month are we in? We are in the month of May. And we are still in autumn. So today I have another scarf on to make me nice and warm. Do you know what color the scarf is of mine? That's right, Gary. It is pink. I have a pink scarf on today because autumn is getting colder because we are getting close to winter. So winter starts in June, which is our next month. And that is only a week and a bit away. So just over a week, we will go into winter. All right. So yesterday we visited a farm and had story time. Do you want to go through the story quickly again? Okay, a farm visit. We all go to the farm. What do we see? I can see a big red tractor. I can see green millies. Let's use our pointer. Let me show you. So I can see a tractor. I can see green millies. And I can see animals. What animals do you see? Let's take those away. Right. I can see Ben. Do you remember who's Ben? Is Ben our dog? Okay. I can see a little lamb. It feels nice and soft. I can see a little pig. It is eating. I can see Ken, Bongi, and Jabu, and Sam. And the lamb goes, ba, ba. Nay, nay. I can see a big brown horse. He's eating carrots. Can you guys see? Yes, and Gary, I can also see a little goat. That's right. Moo, moo. I can see a big brown cow. We have lots of milk. Can you see the milk that our farmer is carrying? Wow. I can see some baby chicks. Cheep, cheep, cheep. And they have lots of eggs close to them in the boy's basket. Wow, that's amazing. All right. So let's just clear these markings. There you go. Poor Mary is lost. Oh no, Mary must have gone somewhere, guys. She can't see anything. Who will help to find Mary? Don't cry, Mary. Ben the dog will help find you. Woof, woof. Guys, yesterday we helped find Mary. Did you help find Mary at home? That's right. So, guys, today we are going to unpack all our animals in our story. Do you know what that is? Gary says it's a H for horse. Wow. Do you know what a horse sounds like? Do you want to hear? Listen. Wow, that is amazing. Can you make the sound of a horse? Can you go? Come on, can you gallop? Come, horses. Right. What is that? That's right, Gary. Gary says that's a goat. G for goat. Yes, Gary. Goat also starts with the same letter as Gary's name. G for Gary is also G for goat. That is our letter G. Do you know what a goat sounds like? Shh. Listen. Does our goat almost sound like sheep? Yes, our goat does sound like sheep. Can you guys make the sound of a goat? Can you go, meh, meh? Let me hear you, great Oris. Can I hear, meh, meh? That's right. So goats jump and climb and they can eat many things. So can you guys go, meh, meh? What is that? Could that be Ben, our D for dog? Remember, in our story, our dog's name is Ben. B for Ben and D for dog. Do you know what different types of dogs sound like? Let's hear. Wow, we had different dog sounds. There were some angry dog sounds, some sad and scary dog sounds. There were some big dog sounds, some small dog sounds. Can you guys bark like a dog? Can you go woof, 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 woof? Do you have a dog? What's your dog's name? Do you want to send me a picture of your dog? What is that? Gary, is that our little lamb or our sheep? This is a white sheep. S for sheep. Or in our story, it's a lamb. It's a baby. Do you know what a sheep sounds like? It sounds almost like a goat, but it's more of a meh, meh. Can you go meh, meh? Let me hear great R's go meh, meh. Or do you remember our song? Ba, ba, like Baba Black Sheep. What are those? Wow, that's right. We have our k sound, but listen, our k sounds different. It's chickens. It's a ch sound. Wow, that C has many different sounds. This is like our church, remember? Ch, church, or chickens, or chicks, which is baby chickens. Do you want to hear what they sound like? That's really cool. So those were hens. That was mommy chickens. But what does daddy chickens? Guys, that's so different. So hens go cluck, 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 and roosters go squawk, squawk. Can you cluck like a chicken? Can you go cluck, 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 or cheep, 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 cheep? Can you crow like a rooster? Can you go cock-a-doodle-doo? Cock-a-doodle-doo? Which one is more fun? Come on, little hens, go cluck, 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 beep, 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 chip, chip, chip. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Can you crow like a rooster? Cock-a-doodle-doo. What is that? Could that be our pig? P for pig. Do you know what a pig sounds like? Let's listen. Guys, it sounds like a pig is screaming. Pigs make very funny noises. Can you make the sound of a pig? Can you go? Come, little piggies, let's make pig sounds. Remember our 3 Little Pigs story? Maybe you should go listen to our 3 Little Pigs story again. Come on, let's go. Piggies, come. There you go. So can you make pig sounds? Can you go around the house and go? Can you make all our animal sounds? Can you go be chickens? Can you go cluck, 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 cluck? Can you also go be sheep and horses? Can you go gallop? We can play all the different animals in our house. I want you to go pretend to be our different farm animals. All right. What is that on the screen? Oh, that's right. It's a cow. K for cow. Now our sound is different. It's our k for cow sound. Do you know what a cow sounds like? Wow, that is a moo. Can you be a cow? Can you make the sound of a cow? Can you guys go moo? Come on, cows, let me hear. Moo, moo. Can you make deep sounds? Moo, moo. Right, guys, so let's do our story again, but with sounds. Can you help me and Gary tell the story with our animal sounds? So let's go. We all go to the farm. What do we see? I can see a big red tractor. I can see Millies, and I can see lots of animals. What animals? Let me hear you go. Cluck, 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 cluck. That's right. And then we've also got our dog. Can you go? Right. I can see Ben, the funny dog. Can you? All right. I can see a little lamb. It feels soft. Yeah. Come on, Great Eyes. I can see a little pig. It is eating. Come on, let me hear you, Great Eyes. Good. I can see Ken, Bongi, and Jabu and Sam. Animals. I can see a big brown horse. I can see a little goat. I can also see our big dog in our friend's hand. You bark? You bark? Wow, we have lots of different animal sounds happening right there. I can see a big brown cow. I can see baby chickens. Look at all the eggs. You cluck. Chip, 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 chip. Chip, 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 chip. Let's hear our dog. Is our dog going bar? That's right. Then we also have our cow. Can you go? Moo. Can you go? Moo. That's That's right. Poor Mary is lost. She can't see anything. What's Mary doing, guys? Is she crying? Can you cry? But let's bark. Let's go find her. Can you go woof, woof, woof? Woof, 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 woof. Can you go woof, 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 woof? Wow, don't cry, Mary. Ben the dog will help you find, to find you. Sure, guys, that was a lot of different sounds. We had cow sounds and sheep and chickens and Mary crying, and we had our pig and our horse and our dogs. Wow, so many sounds all together. Let's revise our song. I think, Gary, do you know the song? Yes, Gary knows the song today. Are you ready, Great R's? Let's go.
Baa, baa, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, Mary, have I 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for my dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives in the lane. Baa, baa, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, Mary, have I 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for my dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives in the lane.
Wow, let's do it one more time. Baa, baa, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for my dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Good job, Great R's. So, fun fact about horses. Horses sleep 3 to 4 hours per day. Wow, that is quite a lot. They can sleep lying down like our picture, and they can sleep standing up. Gary, can we sleep standing up? Let's try. Shoo. Guys, can you pretend to sleep standing up? Go. Shoo. So horses only sleep 3 to 4 hours a day. That's actually not that much. We sleep 8 hours a day. That means that horses sleep half the time we do. Okay, 3-4 hours is a lot of time though for Great R's. Do you sleep in the afternoon? How long do you sleep in the afternoon? Will you ask Mom and Dad to tell you how long you sleep in the afternoon? So horses only sleep 3 to 4 hours in a day, and they can sleep standing up or lying down. So guys, it is your turn for things to do at home. Can you perform your story for Mom and Dad? Let's have a concert. Today we did all the sounds. So retell your story for Mom and Dad with all the animal sounds, and you can put some actions to it and maybe even make some masks. Please go and learn your song. And then you can also make a horse from a paper plate. In the corner of the screen, you will see an example. But for some horse craft ideas, Mom and Dad, there is a link on the screen that has amazing craft ideas about horses. Our homework that you can get online for today is to color a black sheep or a black and white sheep, and there are some examples. I would love to see your pictures. Yes, Gary would too. Our quote for this week is, play is our brain, Gary's brain too's favorite way of learning. So remember to play. Join me, Gary, and Booby. Tomorrow, Wednesday, the 20th at 10. There is our literacy work, Mom and Dad. You can go find it on the department's webpage with some great resources. So what did we do? We did a farm visit. We revised our story. We vocalized some sound. We learned facts about horses. We identified the k sound and the ch sound. We also sang. We are coloring for our homework and making crafts, and we are telling a story and having a concert. Are you ready to call Boo Bear? Will you call Boo Bear, grade R's? Say Boo Bear. Let me hear you. Boo Bear. Did you enjoy our lesson today, Boo Bear? Boo Bear says he specifically liked the facts about the horses. Wow. Right, guys, let's sing goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. We had some fun. We had some fun today. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Now let's go and play. Goodbye, everyone. Have a great day. And me and Teacher Monique will see you tomorrow, bright and early. Have fun and send me those crafts. Goodbye, everyone. Say bye, Booby. Bye, Gary. Thank you for all our sponsors. Go and check their links out and send us those pictures. Bye-bye.